In this video, I am going to show you how to load a Chime card. First, ensure you have your Chime card in hand and that your Chime account is set up. If you haven't done so yet, download the Chime app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. To load funds onto your Chime card, you can use direct deposit, bank transfers, or cash deposits at participating retailers. For direct deposit, go to the app and tap on Move Money. Select Direct Deposit and follow the prompts to enter your employer's information. Once set up, your paycheck will be automatically loaded onto your Chime card. If you prefer to transfer money from another bank, tap on Move Money again, select Transfer to Chime, and follow the instructions to link your external bank account. To load cash onto your Chime card, you can visit participating retailers such as Walmart, CVS, or Rite Aid. Bring your Chime card to the cashier and ask to load cash onto your card. You may be charged a fee for this service, so check with the cashier for details. Once you have completed the loading process, you'll receive a notification in your Chime app confirming the funds are available on your card. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.